Progressing along here on the T-Bird, the new motor mounts are installed. See if we can get in there. There they are. Installed and done. Working on our valve train right now. Already put them in. Get that wrapped up. We're plugging away. Right, we got our rocker arms on and torqued. The magic trick here, in case you guys do not know, is they're non-adjustable hydraulic rockers that are shaft mounted. So get your push rods in and get them all kind of lined up. I always roll the rocker back so it retains the push rod. Get your bolts started, and I usually go and snug them up by hand with a ratchet, and then I go quarter turn, quarter turn, quarter turn, quarter turn, and spread it evenly until you get gently snug. Then the torque spec is 40 to 45 foot-pounds, so I usually do 25, 25, 25, 25, and then 35, 35, 35, 35. And then I go to 43, which is right in the middle basically. So 43, 43, 43, 43, and you're all done. And that, my friends, is how you install the rockers properly. So now I'm getting ready to clean up the valve covers. You can see more silicone usage where we do not need it. Just makes my day longer. And this ends up costing your clients in the long run, because eventually down the road, when it gets repaired properly, if you're a shop that does this, when it gets repaired properly, the client has to pay extra to have somebody waste time to clean up your mess, as opposed to just doing it right the first time. So, just unbelievable. 20 minutes later, we're good enough to put back together. Still some shit. Silicone only has purpose in certain places. Progress. We got our water pump on. Got our expansion tank on. Fresh bypass hose on. Our accessories are mounted. The belt for the power steering is correct. The one for the alternator, because it's a GM. One wire. Catalog number was not correct, so we need about 15,500. Because 15,435 is a little short, and I have 15,585 laying around, and it's way too long. So we'll do 500 tomorrow morning. Get ready to put this valve cover on. Those plug wires are all on and in their spots. Getting ready to put our radiator in. The radiator is excellent. It's been redone, of course, by Gary over at Bob's Radiator. It's been re-cored with the original tanks, the original top and bottom. So it has the OE part number still there, but it's got about 47% more efficiency. Gary is the man.